Hi, my name is Jim, and my industry is electronic entertainment products such as escape rooms and game show rooms. We are in product development and also in manufacturing. As far as OpenBom is concerned, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Very, very happy with the product. We're using OpenBom to manage the parts that we are using in the production of our product to our client. In particular, we love the product from the standpoint of item description, where we're buying the product from, its price, and I also like the fact that it rolls up pricing inside of OpenBom, which helps us cost out our product. It also writes purchase orders, which find very helpful. I think the number one thing I like best about the product is it's reasonably priced. We are a very small company, so we are very cost conscious. I also found it to be very flexible, which was impressive to me based on the price that we were paying, what we could do with this product. And finally, the customer support. I have not seen or worked with a company that has such fantastic customer support. When we were setting up the product, OpenBom, and using it for the first time, we had some questions. I would send an email into customer support, and I would have answers back within minutes. And it didn't really matter what day of the week or what time it was. I mean, if we were on a Saturday night working late, I was very impressed that my email questions would be answered very, very quickly. So what I dislike about OpenBom? Well, to me, dislike is a very strong negative word, and I would categorize what I'm about to say in not dislike, but things that I would like to see it do. One of the things would be that it could give us a price roll up based on different quantity breaks that we get from our vendor. This would be very, very helpful for us as we cost out our product and can, tell our vendors where the natural price breaks are. I understand from customer support that this is on their development plan, so I'm looking forward to seeing that as part of the product of OpenBom. If your company is involved in developing prototypes or small engineering builds, or maybe even manufacturing builds that are not in humongous quantities, this product will work very well for you. It has worked well for us, and I would highly recommend it.